stomp itself.
No stomping. So the sound comes from landing. So if you give me something and I go like this, you hear it. And if it does not land right, you hear a different sound. So there's no stomping. So that stomping idea, again, is an illusion. So the movement does not, the description of the movement does not include a stomp. But because there is a sound, the new people describing it says, at this point, you stamp your foot. There's no stamping. So when I did cannon fist, did you see what happened? When I jumped up, when I landed, there was a sound. I did not kick myself. So you understand? Mm-hmm. So remember this whole day, yes, and yesterday I was talking about you do not add. You don't go like this. It's, can you see you threw your body? Yeah. And if you're used to it, it's not you here doing this. Yeah. And the same here, it's not you doing this. It's him. Hey, can you tell the difference?
Yes.
Yeah. It's fairly difficult to describe. And this power, the same thing. It's not you here, go like doing, it's not like that. It's just aim correctly. The whole thing comes together. There is a up, there is a down. Well, if it's strong, it's because it's up strong. It lands strong. If it's here, it's here.